So we want to close off the series of videos with a red problem. So here we have a problem here. 4 pens and 1 eraser cost $90, and 3 pens and 2 erasers cost $80. Calculate the costs of 1 pen and 1 eraser separately. What we can do is use some letters to represent the items here. So we can use P for pen, or let me use X for pens, and let me use Y for erasers. So X for pens and Y for erasers, or whichever 2 letters you want to use from the alphabet. Alright, so 4 pens, so 4X, 1 Y, and 1 Y is just Y, just as how 1 X is X, right? And that's equal to 90. And here, 3X plus 2Y, that's equal to 80. Now from here on, it's really up to you, alright? It's really up to you to decide whether you want to let the X coefficients be the same or the Y. If you want to let the X be the same, I guess you will multiply the top one by 3 and the other one by 4. Alternate. Let me try aim for the Y. I recognize we can just multiply the top equation 1 by 2 and the other equation by 1. So if I multiply equation 1 by 2, I get 8x, each term by 2. 2 times y, that's 2y. And 2 times 90, that's what, 180. If I multiply the other equation by 1, nothing changes, right? 1 is what we call the multiplicative identity. So you multiply a value by 1, the value does not change. So we're subtracting. Remember how it works, term above, take away term below. So 8x take away 3x, that's 5x. And 2y take away 2y, we are left with nothing, or 0. 180 take away 80, that is 100. So 5 times a number equal to 100, what is that number? So we have 5x equal to 100. We're solving for x, so we need to divide both sides by 5, so we can get rid of the 5. Alright, 5 into itself, that's 1 time, right? So 1x, which is x, 100 divided by 5, that's 20. So $20 would be the cost of a pen, right? Because x represents pens. Now we can substitute in this value into equation 1 or 2, it doesn't matter which one, let me use 1. So substitute x equal 20 into equation 1, EQ1, abbreviating equation 1. Equation 1 says 4x plus y equal to 90, right? That's what equation 1 says, 4x plus y equal to 90. But the value of x is 20. So this is saying 4 times 20. So 4x becomes 80, because remember x is 20. So 4 times x, 4 times 20. Plus y equal to 90. And now we want the value of y. So y would be equal to 90 minus 80. What's 90 minus 80? 10. So y is 10. Y is 10. And you can plug these values into the pair equations, and you should work out. Alright, so if x is 20, so 4 times 20, that's 80, right? Y is 10. 80 plus 10 give you 90 over here. X is 20, so 3 times 20, that's 60. Y is 10. Right? So 2 times 10 give you 20. And 60 plus 20 give us our 80 here. So we are confident these solutions are okay. And we are asked to find the cost of a pen and cost of a eraser. So what's the cost of a pen? You guess correctly. So pen cost, the cost of a pen. Put it to the top right here. The cost of a pen is what? X. So the cost of a pen is $20. And the eraser, how much does the eraser cost? Eraser, we use Y, right? And the value of Y was 10. So an eraser costs $10. That's it.